Hey guys, what's up? What is up? To you, Jason here with Our Life in the Philippines. Hopefully you can hear me. So we decided, hey, to take Snuffy to the mall for the first time, and he's been great so far. Everything's been going good. He's got his diaper on for the first time. He's drawing a lot of attention. Hello. Everybody's looking at him and taking pictures of him. And I mean, he is a giant poodle, but he's just a puppy. He'll get probably twice the size. So we're in Panicky Mall in Panicky, Tarlac. This is the mall here. I'm at Shakey's. We're going to get some pizza to take home. Snuffy, he's just taking it all in. He's so overwhelmed. I think next time. Oh. Okay, great. All right, I gotta pay. So like I said, we're at Shakey's, and they got buy one, get one. I got 2 large. I got a Shaky Special, which comes with everything. And I got a Hawaiian pizza for Mom and Dad and Butchoy. Christine is at the Watson's. Luckily, it's not too busy today. We had to come and buy an air purifier, so we took him into Abenson, which went pretty good. He barked a couple times. So we've actually had him for a week and a day today. Lots of kids playing. So he's been great so far. He did not like the diaper when we first put it on, but he's actually forgotten about it. I'll show you the car seat that we got in the car when we go outside. It's really nice. Fits perfect in our Geely Coolray. All right, guys, I'll be back. So they say these dogs have really high separation anxiety, so I had to run to the DIY to get some stuff. Christine came back, and she is with him. There he is. See if he sees me. Yeah, I'm back. Got you something. Snuffy's being such a good boy, huh? He's being such a good boy. With his little diaper. Like Butchoy, huh? Even Butchoy don't wear a diaper. But you got a diaper. Still waiting on the pizza. Getting a lot of attention. We're superstars. You know, I thought I was famous. Now I'm really famous, huh? YouTube famous. Snuffy went to the mall. That'll be the title, the thumbnail. Snuffy went to the mall. He's being good. He's finally calmed down. Well, I mean, he was pretty calm the whole time. All right, finally. Got our pizza, got everything. I see Christine coming. Let's see how he acts. I see Mommy. Look, there's Mommy. Look, turn around. Hey, Snuffy, look, there's Mommy. Oh, there's Mommy.
They're all shocked I lifted this box. Maybe they think it's maybe.
Oh,
Oh, it's kind of.
he missed you. All right, we're gonna go to the car. I'll be back.
It said like that. Poggy, it's like handsome. Oh, he's so handsome. Oh.
Was he talking about me or the dog?
For sure, the dog. Snuffy's like an instant celebrity.
You did good today, buddy. He was a girl magnet.
Yeah. Looks like behave.
Yeah, I was
Didn't
kind
bark at all.
of afraid
That
they
he barked.
wanted to,
Pet
you know,
him?
they wanted to pet him.
But, yeah.
I was kind of nervous, but he acted all right. Look, he's tired now.
Yeah.
Well, guys, when I get back to the house, I will show you this. You can kind of see it. This car seat cover thing we got. He was a really good boy today. First time out, well, second time out. First time at the mall with lots of people, and he did awesome. He's a great puppy. All right, we'll be back when we get back. We're driving home. Well, guys, we just got home. I'll show you the car seat in a few minutes. We were surprised by something we got in the mail. Let's see what it is. It's a big package. What have we got? What do we have here? Oh, look at that. Oh, Snuffy got a dog bed. Look, Snuffy. What you got there, buddy? He's hungry. He didn't eat this morning. We left, went to the mall. All right, while he's eating, I'm going to show you that car seat real quick. All right, guys, let's go check this out. It is raining. It started raining on our way home, so it washed the car for me, which is good. This is our Geely Coolray. Kind of dark in there. This is it. It's like a padded square box that you fasten it to 4 places, fasten it to the both front headrests and then the back headrest. Let me try to turn the light on. Give me a second. There we go. Got the light on. So on both sides, they unzip down for easy access, so the dog can easily come in and out on both sides. You see the back is fastened to the seats, the headrests, and it also has a spot that unzips so that your dog you see in the middle there, so your dog can put his head there. For a short dog, of course, Snuffy is huge, and he's just a puppy. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the little video we made today. I just wanted to put something out to all of our fans, subscribers, and my family. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.